Looking at my coin market cap watch list I've labelled it just as crypto games, but it's crypto and AI. You can see I've got a lot that I'm keeping a watch on there. Generally speaking, the last 24 hours they've all had a pretty good time, except for R Games and Vivo Coin. We're looking at the central chart here, 24 hours, and the best performing over the last 24 hours is Osmi. It's number 3,740 in terms of market capitalization of all the cryptocurrencies out there. So it's a tiny, tiny, unheard of little crypto. But yeah, up 10% in the day. They have currently got a node sale on. In the community, 97% are bullish, 3% are bearish. The market cap for cryptocurrency is tiny. It's just $24 million. Within the AI sector itself, that is just unheard of amongst the big players. The big players out there are upwards of $2-3 billion valuations, market cap. So this one is a really interesting play. So if you want to get some Osmi, it's now on the MEXC market as well, or Uniswap. The prices are now starting to balance a little bit closer. It was just released on MEXC yesterday, but it's a very, very interesting play. Osmi itself as an AI, let me just go and give you a quick comparison. Okay, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a picture of Prince William eating an apple. I'm also going to give that to Osmi as well. So we hit return there and come into Osmi, give it the same image prompt, create a picture of Prince William eating an apple. Now, when we come back here, at ChatGPT, it says, I can't create an exact image of Prince William due to restrictions on generating images of public figures. However, I can generate an image of a man who resembles him, tall with short light brown hair eating an apple. So this is what we call censorship. What is wrong with ChatGPT creating an image? I'm not going to use it for any commercial purposes or sell it or anything like that. I'm just demonstrating what ChatGPT can and can't do, and this is a censored result. Now there's benefits to censorship if you agree with whoever's doing the censoring. So if you compare that with DeepSeek, the Chinese AI, controlled and censored by a communist government, you may not be of communist persuasion, and therefore it has a bias, that AI. So anyway, we'll go with that. Okay, yes. So we'll say yes, proceed with that. So let's see what it comes up with as close a proximity to Prince William as it thinks it can do. And we'll see what the result is. In the meantime, I'm just going to come back. Now look at this. This is a good image. Let's open this in a new tab so you can see it a bit more clearly. That is a very good representation of Prince William. I have got absolutely no doubt that if I saw that, I'd go, hey, it's Prince William with an apple. Very good. This is ChatGPT's effort. Prince William is actually quite bald. He also doesn't look like an airbrushed Prince William. He looks more like a real Prince William. So that's just one example with Osmi. It's a new AI assistant, relatively new AI assistant. It's really, really fascinating what it can do. You can also help. You'll see down here it says power the Osmi network and earn rewards. Osmi is kind of effectively owned by its operators, which can be me and you, and you lend computing power from your own computer or from a virtual computer. You can set up a computer somewhere else in the world, run the software, and lend the computing power. So this image takes a huge amount of computing power to create, and that's typically why AI is so expensive for ChatGPT and the likes, where they are spending millions if not billions on computers. But with Osmi, it's what's called a decentralized or a distributed network of operators. So you can just download a small piece of software, contribute that your power from your computer to the Osmi network, and they'll pay you daily rewards. And I'm doing actually very, very well with the daily rewards. So if you'd like to operate a node and learn how to do that for Osmi, then go to my website paulhardingham.com/osme, and I'll run you through the details how you can do what I'm doing, which is generating a totally passive income from my computer. The computer does the work, it just lends computing power to Osme. Osme does these images, all sorts of other things that it will do in the future as well as an AI assistant. But look at the comparison, how much better that is than ChatGPT already. And ChatGPT, supposedly worth billions, and yet it can't create an image of someone which is a recognizable figure. So I hope you found that useful and interesting. If you'd like to learn more about Osme and what it's doing and where it's going and how you can potentially earn a very substantial passive daily income just giving computing power, then subscribe to my channel as well here at YouTube. Let me know your thoughts and comments below. I'd love to hear those, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.